name is Landon, and today I'm here with Ben. Ben, go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Ben Eilerman. I'm the Maintenance and Manufacturing Engineering Manager here at Hartzell Air Movement.
Now Ben, tell me, what does a typical day look like for you?
A typical day involves solving problems, whether that be with equipment, with the facility, roof repairs, working with the operators on new processes to manufacture our fans, and implementing new processes.
Now, Ben, how long have you been with Hartzell Air Movements?
I've been with Hartzell for 2 years.
What type of college training do you have?
I went to Ohio State University for a bachelor's degree in agricultural engineering. I started out in a manufacturing plant right out of college, and I've learned. I've been at different plants manufacturing different things for my whole career. And every step along the way I've taken opportunity to learn, and that's gotten me where I am today.
What do you like about having this plant here in Piqua, Ohio?
It's close to my home. I live in Hartsell, so it's a short commute, and it's nice to have good people to work with here in Piqua.
Here's a good one. What is one major issue that you were able to solve here at Hartzell Air Movement in your position?
A lot of the preventative maintenance. I've been working with my maintenance tech to implement preventative maintenance programs to prevent problems from happening with equipment.
Now, maybe give a piece of advice to one of our students that are looking to get into this manufacturing field.
Never stop learning. Manufacturing is all about solving problems, and if you can be a good problem solver, you can go places with manufacturing.
And why is manufacturing so important to you personally?
Manufacturing is important to me because doing things with your hands is very rewarding, and seeing the things that you make at the end of the day is what makes it worthwhile going into work every day.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm here with Hallie. Hallie, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Hallie Spar. I am a manufacturing engineer here at Hartzell Air Movement.
And what does a manufacturing engineer do?
A manufacturing engineer works on process improvement projects. We engage with people on the floor, kind of understand the processes that go on in manufacturing and look for ways to improve.
So how long have you been at Hartzell Air Movement?
I interned with Hartzell Air Movement for 2 years, and I have been here as a full-time employee for almost 1 year.
What do you like about your job?
I like working here. Because I like to engage with people on the floor, and a lot of our core values are having fun and family and continuously improving. Those are all really important to me, and I like being able to work on process improvement projects.
And what does a typical day look like for you?
Every day is different here at Hartzell. There's always a different challenge that goes on, and each day I work with the people on the floor working on improvements, and I also do work on the computer, like doing 3D modeling and just whatever is thrown at me that day.
And what steps led you to your current position?
So I went to Wright State University, and I came here. I got connected through Wright State for the Hartzell Co-op program, and I had an offer before I graduated to come on full-time as an employee.
Thank you for your time.
Hello, my name is Andrew Mason, and today I'm here with Mark. Mark, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mark Allen. I'm a production supervisor of the weld and fabrication departments here at Hartzell.
How did you get started here at Hartzell?
I started here in 2004. My dad has worked here for over 40 years, and when I first was in college. I started here as summer help, working in the summers and winter breaks, and just kind of grew from there.
What's a typical day look like for you?
So I come in, make sure that the production's going smoothly. If there's any issues, restore the flow in production. Help drive the constant improvement with my teams and my team leaders. That's pretty much it.
What do you like about having Hartzell here in Piqua?
I was born and raised in Piqua, so it's nice to have a company like this that gives back to the city. It's nice having a short drive to work and home from work every day.
Why is manufacturing important to you?
It's a big part of our economy. Without manufacturing, be a lot less jobs, a lot less product. So it's a big part of keeping the economy going.
You said you were here in 2004. What made you stay so long?
Yeah, so I stayed so long because it's a good place to work. They've been supportive of me and my time here and then my growth in the manufacturing world. Like I said, I started as summer help in 2004 in fiberglass. I've did some work in paint and crating in fiberglass as well. And then in 2007, I came on full time working in fabrication. I did some full time work in assembly. Then moved. They actually offered a position for machine shop that came with some classroom training. So I went out for that and got it. Worked the machine shop for a couple years. Eventually made my way into team lead position, and then from there just got promoted to production supervisor. So they've been there, helped support me through my career, and it's been a good place to work.
What's one piece of advice you give to a student that's looking to getting into manufacturing?
I would say go in with an open mind, be willing to learn, but also know that what you were taught is not always the best and most efficient way to do things. There's always going to be better and simpler and safer ways to do stuff, and to be able to have the critical thinking to think of those situations and stuff is be a good thing to have.
Hi, my name's Tommy Grice, and today I'm here with Tyler. And Tyler, would you care to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Tyler Stump. I'm production manager for Hartzell Air Movement.
What does a typical day look like for a production manager?
So for a production manager, my main responsibility is to oversee and direct activities in the manufacturing environment.
What kind of materials do you work on a daily basis?
All kinds, all your steels, mild steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and we even do fiberglass here as well.
What all does Hartsell make?
We are the leading manufacturer for air, makeup, and ventilation products.
Does Hartsell deal with more commercial or more stuff we would typically use at home?
Ours is more industrial, commercial applications.
So what type of products are these?
Not so much air conditioners, but more around ventilation, units that will remove caustic and corrosive chemicals and contaminants from the air to help keep employees safe and their equipment operating as intended.
How long have you been with Hartsell Air Movement?
Been with Hartzell for a little over 2 years.
What got you started in this job?
Right out of high school, I got into manufacturing. Did various roles throughout my career, and then moved my way up into management, and then here I am.
What do you like about having this company in the city of Piqua?
It gives us a chance to give back to the city of Piqua, and a lot of our teammates are from Piqua, so it's nice to see that connection that they have with the company and the city.
Do you guys offer training to those with minimal training?
Yeah, absolutely. So for us, we do a lot of on-the-job training. So I tell students when they're applying straight out of high school, if you have a good attitude, you're willing to learn, and you're punctual, you can go a long way. So training, skills, all that stuff is provided. We even offer secondary training and classes for our teammates as well.
What's one piece of advice you'd give a student looking to go into the manufacturing field?
Put yourself out there, be open-minded. Like I said, you'd be surprised at how far a good work ethic, good punctuality, and a good attitude will take you.